Hello guys, and welcome to this very quick and easy tutorial for Shopify 2.0 stores. So Dawn theme and any other theme that is based on Shopify 2.0. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to make discount codes, coupon codes to try and increase your sales. I'm going to talk about also giving free shipping if people buy certain products, and just generally things that you can then use in your email marketing. So all we're going to do is we're going to go to the discounts here, and you can see that Shopify makes it very, very easy. We have four options. We have amount off products, which is a percentage off a product price. Amount off order, so this is a percentage or an amount off somebody's cart price. If you buy X, get Y for free, okay? And then finally, free shipping. So we're going to look at these one by one. First of all, we'll have amount off products. This is if you want to give, let's say, a 10% discount for your customers. We have two options. Either we can do automatic discount or discount code. We can also generate a code like that. And then once we press save, all we have to do is include this code in an email or whatever it might be, however you want to advertise your 10% discount. Okay, so we're going to say it's a 10% discount, and I'm actually going to write a welcome 10. Okay, so the discount code is now welcome 10. We can choose whether it's specific products or specific collections. So let's press browse here, and I only want it to be on my hat. So we'll add that, and now you can start to see how we can make an email about having a 10% off my hat, my specific hat, or we can go on collections. I don't actually have collections, but let's say I have a hat collection. Let's say this is called hat. We add this, and now people will get 10% off of any hats. So yeah, Shopify makes it really, really simple and really, really easy. Minimum purchase requirement, you can say no minimum purchase requirement is a good option if you just want anyone and everyone to be able to use this discount, but obviously be careful with doing that. Minimum purchase amount, let's say that they have to spend £50 in order to get the 10% discount. All customers, specific customer segments. Let's see if we have any. Yeah, we do. So I want this to be for new people only, okay? So customers who haven't purchased. So now you can start to see that I've got a really, really nice offer. I've got a 10% offer on all of my hats. The code is welcome 10, and it's for anyone who has never made a purchase on my website. So the point of this would be to bring new people to my website, to get them into my email marketing schemes, whatever it might be, okay? Remember to set an active date, so set an end date. You always want to make sure that you set an end date just in case you completely forget. So let's say in 1 week from now, I want it to end, and then I'm going to press save discount. Now I have a welcome 10. I don't know why they just said leave. Did that just delete my discount code? I hope not. Let's find out. No, it didn't. Okay, so now I can click promote, for example, and I can press get a shareable link. So you can see here, this will then take them to the hat page, which I can include as a link in my email, okay? So that's how to create a welcome code. You can also just do a code for people who have already made a purchase, or just for everyone. You don't actually have to put anything here, so you can just put all customers, for example. Specific customers is if you want to give a deal to maybe a customer who was unsatisfied with a purchase, so you want to give them a 10% discount for as a way of saying sorry, basically, okay? If you do want to limit, then you should definitely limit. So limit the number of times, or limit to one use per customer is normally the best thing to do. And then we're going to hit save again, because you don't want to be giving them, too many discounts, obviously. Okay, so that is one example of a discount code. Let's have a look at the other examples. So create discount. Amount off an order is very, very simple. Okay, so if you want to have a site-wide 10% off everything sale, then this is going to be the option for you. I'm going to do discount code again. I just prefer having a discount code. So 10 off everything. not the best not the best discount code in the world, but there you go. So let's say we're doing a 5% off absolutely everything on my store, and there's no minimum requirements. It's all customers. It's just a flat 5% off. Get it while it's hot sale, basically. And we only want it to be limited to 1 per user in case people start going crazy with it. And it's only for this week, guys. So it's only for 3 days. So get it while it's hot. We're going to save the discount, and now we can advertise a 5% off everything. And what we can do is, while you guys are here, let's see what we can actually do to advertise this. So I'll come back to the free shipping one. I just want to very quickly show you where I personally would put this. So we're going to click on customize on our Shopify store, and we're going to see what we actually have here. So on the announcement bar here, okay, I want this to actually appear now, and I want this to be huge sale. Something like that, okay? Obviously, write a better thing than this, and also that code is really awful, but there you go. And then every time someone goes on your store, let's click on preview. This is on Dawn 5.0, I didn't actually realize, but it's gonna be the same on your guys anyway. Okay, so I just upgraded to Dawn 7.01, which is the latest version of Dawn, just to make sure that everything is the same, which as you can see, it is. So now we also have that in our bar at the top. We can also put it in our email, etc., etc. So the final one, well, let's look at 2. I don't really have that many products, so it's a little bit difficult, this one, but basically what we're going to be wanting to do, customer buys. So let's say they buy 1 hat. Now let's say they buy 1 pair of jeans and they get a t-shirt for free. Okay, so they get 1 of those and they receive a t-shirt. Okay, perfect. So they buy a pair of pants, they get a t-shirt. Buy 1 get 1 free is the code. Okay, at a discounted value. Can you not just give them it for free? Oh yeah, free, there we go. Nice. And this can be for anyone. Okay, this is just we've accidentally bought too many t-shirts, guys, so we're gonna have to offload some of them, and we may as well make a deal of it and sell some of these jeans while we're at it. So that's perfect, guys. Combination, no, and then we're not even going to set an end date because we've just got far too many t-shirts to be getting on with, and we need to get rid of some of these bloody t-shirts. Buy 1 get 1 free, there we go. And then the final one is free shipping. So a lot of stores, this is probably the most important one. What I'm going to do is minimum purchase amount is £200. Okay, flat out, just end of story. If you spend £200 on my store, forever you're going to get free shipping, and that's literally it. Do I need to even have a discount code? It's kind of annoying that I can't just say if you spend 200 then you just get it for free shipping. So that means they always need to know that code. I'm sure there's a way to do this without a discount code, so for now we'll just do free shipping like that. So now if they put free shipping at the checkout, then obviously they will get free shipping if they spend £200. And that's how I probably wouldn't do it like that, to be fair. But that's for a different video. This video is just about discount codes, and I really hope that helps some people understand how to do discount codes. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon with some more content. Peace out.